So far there's not been any speaking in this video except from the intro that I'm going to do after I've done everything. So you would have already saw the intro, but I just wanted to crack on with it. This is the Sunday reset, I guess. And we're going to continue it and put fresh new bedding on. This isn't the particular one I really wanted, but they did have a lot of nice duvets in Primark at the moment. Spring isn't my favourite time of the year. Well, it can be. It depends. Every single year it changes. But spring, like late spring, I would say is my favourite. And autumn. I love when it's warm enough, but not too cold. And then with autumn, it's cold, but it's not too cold. But I love the spring colours that you get. So I do still love this bedding, but it's not the particular one I would have really liked because it didn't have that many doubles in the Primark that I went to. But this would still be so cute and it will go with my blanket. So we're going to change my bedding. I've done my desk. I just want to go through my wardrobe, but we're going to change my bedding first and then tidy up the corner where my mirror is, because I feel like that's always just chaos with wires and everything. But it's just been a quick clean with me time lapse while it's still sunny. We were predicted rain today and it's not. It's kind of rained but not really. We've had hailstones, but it's meant to apparently rain tomorrow. But this is the thing with spring, how living in Scotland, when it's spring, it could literally be sunshine like it is right now, and 2 minutes later it'll be pouring down with rain. You never know. Let me know guys if you're liking this change up when I'm doing a spring clean or clean with me. But I'm loving this angle. You're literally in my wardrobe right now. So let me know down below. That is the spring clean with me. I need to empty my bin again, and as you can see I'm in a different top. It's been a couple of weeks. I forgot to finish this spring clean with me. As usual, I literally just started tidying up and forgot to film. But my room is literally full on tidy, and as you can see there is a new furniture in my room. But I will be doing a room tour. And I'm also going to be doing a life update because a lot has happened this past month, from earning £41 on TikTok to them thinking I'm 13. That will be in a life update video. But I will be talking about TikTok, I will talk about what I want to do with literally this channel. I use it as when I want to upload and but also TikTok has made me realise, everyone says it, but if you want to do social media, and obviously I've still got a retail job, I've still got the job, but if you want to do social media you need to do multiple platforms and earn on multiple platforms, because I've just lost all of my income. Well, luckily it wasn't a lot. I only earned 140 per couple of weeks, but pretty much all of my income, well not pretty much all of it, but my ability to have income on social media, 6 minutes technically, because TikTok thinks I'm 13. But I will do a full-on life update on all that and explain it all in one video. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you with a brand new one soon.